Excuse me, I really need your help right now.
Of course, sir. Please tell me what happened.
I cannot find my suitcase anywhere in this airport.
Please calm down and explain everything slowly.
I arrived 30 minutes ago and my bag disappeared.
Did you check the baggage claim area already?
Yes, I checked every belt and every corner there.
That sounds strange. Maybe the bag was moved.
This bag is very important because my laptop inside.
Do not worry. We will try to find it.
I am really nervous because I have meeting tomorrow morning.
First, please describe your suitcase very clearly.
It is a large black suitcase with yellow sticker.
Does it have any special marks or labels?
Yes, there is a red ribbon on the handle.
That detail will help us search faster.
I hope someone did not take it accidentally.
Sometimes passengers take wrong bags by mistake.
That would be terrible because my passport inside.
Please wait here while I check system information.
Thank you, I will wait here nervously.
I found something interesting in the system.
Please tell me quickly, what did you find?
Your suitcase was scanned near another terminal.
Another terminal? That is very far away.
Yes, but that means the bag's still here.
That makes me feel a little better.
Security camera shows someone moving your suitcase earlier.
Do you think someone tried to steal it?
No, it looks like airport worker moved it.
Why would they move my suitcase suddenly?
Sometimes bags move during security rechecking process.
I understand, but I really need it now.
Good news, the suitcase is coming back now.
Really? That is incredible news for me.
Yes, a worker is bringing it here.
I was very worried about losing everything.
Please relax, your bag will arrive soon.
Thank you so much for helping me today.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay here.
Excuse me, I cannot find my suitcase anywhere.
Do not worry, sir. We will solve this problem.
I hope so, because everything important is inside.
Please tell me what is inside your suitcase.
My laptop, my clothes, and my favorite snacks.
Snacks are very important during long trips.
Yes, especially when airplane food is terrible.
I understand airplane food is always mysterious.
Sometimes I think it is not real food.
Do not worry, we will rescue your snacks.
That would make me very happy today.
Please describe your suitcase very carefully.
It is a large black suitcase with yellow sticker.
Did you see someone taking similar suitcase?
Actually, I saw a man running quickly earlier.
Running with a suitcase inside airport?
Yes, he looked nervous and very suspicious.
That sounds like a movie scene already.
I hope this is not action movie today.
Let me check the security cameras now.
Cameras? Now I am even more nervous.
Okay, I see the man on camera.
Please tell me he did not steal it.
Wait a moment. This is funny, actually.
Funny? Why is my suitcase funny?
The man took your suitcase accidentally.
Accidentally? How is that possible?
His suitcase looks exactly the same.
So now 2 confused travelers exist?
Yes, he is probably panicking right now.
That actually makes me feel little better.
Good news, he is coming back already.
Really? That was very fast.
He realized the suitcase contains snacks only.
Hey, those snacks are very valuable.
Of course, snacks are serious business.
I promise I will protect them carefully.
Next time, add big, colorful ribbon, maybe.
Good idea. Maybe bright pink ribbon.
Perfect. Nobody will steal that suitcase.
Thank you for helping me today.
You are welcome. Enjoy your snacks.
Wait a second. I think we found him. Look at the screen. That man has your suitcase.
Excuse me, sir. May I speak with you for a moment?
Oh, of course. Is something wrong?
I believe there may be a small mistake with your suitcase.
A mistake? What do you mean?
Another passenger reported that his bag looks exactly like yours.
Really? I thought this was my suitcase.
Could you please check the name tag on the handle?
Oh, wow. You are right. This name is different.
It looks like you accidentally took someone else's bag.
Oh, no. I am so sorry about that.
Do not worry, it happens quite often here.
I guess all black suitcases look the same.
Yes, that is a very common problem at airports.
Let's go find the real owner then.
Thank you for understanding. Please come with me. Here you are, sir. This is your suitcase.
Oh, yes, that is my bag. Thank you so much.
I am really sorry. I accidentally took your suitcase.
No problem. All black suitcases look the same.
This happens quite often at busy airports.
I was worried because my laptop was inside.
Luckily, everything is safe and nothing is missing.
Thank you both for helping me find it.
You are welcome. Please check your bag.
Yes, everything is here, even my snacks.
Snacks? Now I understand why the bag felt important.
Yes, those snacks saved my whole trip.
Good evening, sir. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I'm still deciding.
No problem at all. Would you like a few more minutes?
Yeah, everything looks good. I just can't choose.
I understand. Are you in the mood for something light or something filling?
Something filling. I'm really hungry.
Then I'd recommend our classic burger. It's one of the most popular dishes.
Is it spicy?
Not at all, but we can add spicy sauce if you'd like.
And what comes with it?
Fries and a small salad.
Sounds good. What about drinks?
We have fresh lemonade, cola, iced tea, and coffee.
I'll start with water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Of course. Take your time with the menu. I'll be right back with your water.
Thank you.
Have you decided?
Yes, I'll take the burger.
Great choice. Would you like it medium or well done?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
That's all for now.
All right. Your order will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket, please.
Of course. Where are you flying to?
I'm flying to Istanbul.
One way or round trip?
Round trip.
When would you like to depart?
Tomorrow morning, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we have a flight at 9:40 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
And when would you like to return?
In 1 week.
All right, economy or business class?
Economy is fine.
Do you have any checked baggage?
Just one suitcase.
That's included. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks good. The total is $320.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Payment approved. Here's your ticket and boarding information.
Thank you. Is the airport very busy in the morning?
Yes, I recommend arriving at least 2 hours before departure.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Thanks, I will.
Hey, is this your first time flying to Istanbul?
Yeah, actually, I'm kind of excited.
You should be. It's an amazing city.
Have you been there before?
3 times. I love the mix of Europe and Asia. It feels different from anywhere else.
That's exactly why I'm going. I want to see something new.
Business or vacation?
A bit of both. I want to explore and maybe find new opportunities.
Opportunities?
Yeah, I'm trying to grow, you know? Business, life, everything.
I respect that. Traveling changes your mindset.
That's what I'm hoping for.
First thing you should see is Hagia Sophia, and don't miss the Bosphorus at sunset.
Sunset over the water.
Unreal. You'll feel like you're in a movie.
Now I'm even more excited.
Where are you from?
Paris.
Nice, and your English is pretty good.
Thanks, I'm still learning.
Travel is the best teacher.
I guess this flight is lesson number 1.
Exactly. Step out of your comfort zone.
That's what I'm trying to do this year.
Good. Most people just talk about change. Very few actually move.
Yeah, I decided to move.
Then Istanbul is a good start.
Excuse me, hi, do you speak English?
Yes, a little. How can I help you?
I'm trying to get to Hagia Sophia. Is it far from here?
Not very far. Are you walking?
Yes.
Okay, then it's about 15 minutes from here.
Great, which way should I go?
Go straight down this street until you see the tram station.
The tram station.
Yes, when you reach it, turn left. Then just follow the signs for Sultan Ahmed.
Sultan Ahmed. Okay.
You will see the Blue Mosque first. Hagia Sophia is right across from it.
Oh, they're close to each other?
Yes, very close. You can't miss it.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is this your first time in Istanbul?
Yes, it is.
Then enjoy it. It's a beautiful place.
I already feel that. Thanks again.
Have a nice day.
You too?
Fresh simmet, hot simmet,
How much is one?
20 lira.
I'll take one. And a tea.
Good choice. First time in Istanbul?
Is it that obvious?
You're looking at Hagia Sophia like it's magic.
It kind of is.
Wait until sunset.
You think it's better then?
Much better. The whole sky turns orange.
Sounds unreal. Where are you from? Paris.
Nice, long trip.
Yeah, but worth it already.
That's how Istanbul works.
How?
You come for a visit. You leave with a story.
I like that.
Here's your simmet. Careful, it's hot.
Thanks.
And tea. Slowly. Enjoy the view.
I will.
Welcome to Istanbul, my friend.
Feels like the start of something.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Alex.
Let me check. Yes, I see it. 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Would you prefer a room with the city view or a courtyard view?
City view, if possible.
Of course. Breakfast is included from 7 to 10 a.m. Perfect. Here's your key card. Room 304, 3rd floor.
Is there Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi. The password is on the card holder.
Great. And what time is checkout?
At noon.
All right, thank you.
Enjoy your stay in Istanbul.
Thanks, I already do. Yeah, Mom. I made it. I'm in my hotel room now. The flight was good, don't worry. You should see this view. It's crazy beautiful. I'm looking at the city right now. The lights are everywhere, and the sky is pink and orange. It feels unreal. Yeah, I know. I'm safe. Relax. I already walked around a little. The streets are full of people, music, smells of food. It's alive here. And Hagia Sophia. Mom, it's huge. You see it in pictures, but in real life it's different. You feel small next to it. No, I'm not alone lonely. I'm good. I wanted this. I just feel like this is the start of something bigger, you know? Yeah, I'll send you photos. Don't worry about me. I'm careful. Okay, I'll call you tomorrow. Love you too, Mom.